What if I told you that you could generate studio-level AI images without spending 30 minutes tweaking prompts? Today, I'm testing Leonardo AI's blueprint system and one hidden feature most people completely ignore. By the end of this video, I'm going to turn a normal image into a magazine cover, a surreal fashion collage, a branded commercial, and a cinematic war commander. Let's see if this actually works. Here's the problem. Most people using AI waste hours adjusting prompts, switching models, and changing settings. Blueprints eliminate that. They're pre-built generation setups inside Leonardo that lock in style, structure, and consistency. Instead of rebuilding from scratch every time, you load a blueprint. It handles the framework. You focus on creativity. Let me show you. Inside Leonardo, click the Blueprints icon. This opens Blueprint Explorer. You'll see categories at the top. For this test, I want something professional, so I'm clicking Photography. Then I'm selecting Magazine Editorial Portrait. This one is designed to create a polished, high-end editorial look. Step 1. Upload image. I'm using a clean headshot so we can clearly see changes. Confirm. Step 2. Generate. This costs 120 credits and gives 3 variations. 15 seconds later, this is actually impressive. The facial structure is preserved. Lighting looks like a studio shoot. Skin tones are realistic. And it still looks like me. This is what blueprints do well. They maintain identity while applying a consistent visual style. Now let's push it further. I'm typing, add a thin silver chain around his neck. Generate again. This costs 40 credits. And just like that, it updated the image without breaking everything else. Normally, you'd have to regenerate from scratch. This is controlled refinement. Now here's something different. Look for the editorial collage icon. When you hover over it, it says, embrace your inner fashion icon inside a surreal collage world. It costs 140 credits. Let's try it. Click the icon. Upload the same headshot. Generate. 15 seconds later, this is completely different. Instead of just enhancing the photo, it drops you into a surreal fashion collage universe. Layered textures, magazine cutouts, bold artistic composition, high fashion editorial energy. This doesn't look like LinkedIn. This looks like experimental Vogue. And the crazy part is, my identity is still recognizable. This isn't just enhancement, it's transformation. This is where AI becomes creative direction. Now let's switch to something practical. Back to blueprints. Select Brand Mockup. Step 1. Upload logo. I'm uploading a PNG logo. Next. Step 2. Describe the environment. Prompt. On a desktop computer screen in a modern workspace. Generate. 20 seconds later, this looks professional. The logo isn't pasted randomly. It's properly scaled, integrated into perspective, and the lighting matches the scene. And we get 3 variations. But we're not done. Let's turn this into a video. Click Create Video. Switch model to Kling 2.6. Prompt. Slowly pan to the left. Generate. About a minute later, that's cinematic. We just turned a static brand mock-up into a moving commercial shot. No camera, no editor, no production crew. From one logo. Now we're going full chaos. Back to blueprints. Select Troops Command. Upload headshot. Next step, it asks for command dialog. I'm typing, "Are you ready?" Generate. This costs 800 credits because it creates both an image and a video with sound. 2 minutes later, the image looks like a movie still. Battle armor, gritty lighting, smoke, army behind me. Now the video. The AI animated the shout, matched lip movement, and added battlefield motion. From a selfie. That's insane. So here's what we learned. Blueprints are workflow accelerators. They give you consistency, speed, and structure. The editorial collage feature gives you transformation. And the video tools turn static visuals into cinematic assets. Instead of fighting with prompts, you direct the outcome. That's the difference. If you want more AI workflows and advanced prompts like this, join our community. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. Because next time, we're pushing this even further. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.